The scent of warm cinnamon and baked apples fills the house as I just made a very well-loved caramel apple pie. This is another recipe straight from our church cookbook and was submitted by Tim Sellers. Now, if you want to hear all across the table, then this is the pie to serve, and it is perfect for this time of year. Here is a quick list of the supplies you're going to need. You need one 9-inch deep dish pastry crust, homemade or store-bought. Now I used one out of the refrigerator section and I rolled it out big enough that it would fit my pie pan. Then you're going to need a 1/2 cup sugar, 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 6 cups peeled, thinly sliced apples, Golden Delicious or Fuji mixed work well, 1 recipe of crumb topping, 1/2 cup chopped pecans, 1/4 cup caramel topping. Now for your crumb topping, you need 1 cup packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup quick cook rolled oats, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup butter. I'll insert a quick screenshot right here so you can write this recipe down. I started out by mixing my crumb topping. You'll want to stir together your brown sugar, flour, and oats, and then cut in your softened butter until it resembles coarse crumbs. Once you get that done, just set that bowl to the side.
When I look at you, I see Georgia. I see sunshine headed my way. I feel love like no other.
Now grab a large bowl and stir together your sugar, flour, cinnamon, and salt. Once you have that mixed together, you're going to add your apple slices and gently toss them until they're all coated.
A baby and a mother, sweetest thing that I'll ever be. When I hold you close, I hold everything. Every breath you take, a song I'll sing. I'll find love like no other, a child with my lover, sweetest thing that I've ever seen.
Now that everything's coated well, I'm going to transfer it to my pie shell. Let me make a note right here. If you use a 9-inch store-bought pie crust and you use a full 6 cups of sliced apples, this amount of apples will actually mound up in your pie shell, and it'll give you a more domed finished product, which I like. But today I'm using my glass pie dish, and I rolled my shell out so it would be big enough to cover it. So I've got more of a flat top apple pie today. I do like that domed one. Now I'm going to sprinkle my crumb topping over the apple mixture, and it'll be ready to go in the oven. Now just place your pie on a cookie sheet so the drippings won't drop into the oven. Cover your edges of the pie with aluminum foil and bake in a 375-degree oven for about 25 minutes. Then remove your foil and put it back in the oven for another 25 to 30 minutes without the foil. Once you remove it from the oven, sprinkle the top with your chopped pecans and drizzle caramel on. Cool on a wire rack and enjoy warm or at room temperature. So here it is. It's golden, it's bubbly, and it is a heavenly treat. I will admit, this is the best apple pie I have ever eaten. Thank you, Tim. It's the perfect combination of a buttery crust, sweetened, tender apples and topped off with that decadent caramel sauce. It's just simply bliss. Now, thanks for joining me in the kitchen today at the Old Tobacco Patch, and I hope you're as excited about the fall season as I am. I'm so ready to visit a pumpkin patch and go make a quick trip to the mountains to see the leaf change. So get out there, enjoy the change of the seasons, make memories, and most of all, have fun baking. And I'll catch up with you later in the next video.
Georgia ain't that far away, and I know it. She's been showing up at my door, tugging at the sleeves of our indifference and begging us to get